Hi, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm creating the ultimate pride look to celebrate all different kinds of people and all different forms of love, as June is Pride Month. And this look is also very much inspired by another makeup artist. She's amazing. I don't know exactly how to pronounce her name, so I'm just going to leave her name and Instagram name in here. So I already have my base makeup on. I have a video on this and I will link this down below. Yeah, I'm focused mostly on the center of my face as we're going to do some fun colors on the outside. So let's start. So I'm just going to start with a light colored eyeshadow, and you can use any light colored eyeshadow for this. I'm just using the one from this Viseart palette, and I'm using an eyeliner brush with this. So with this light colored eyeshadow, you're just going to draw a big heart on your face. And this is going to be the outline for the look. So this doesn't need to be perfect yet, you just want it to be an outline. So now you're going to fill in the outside of your face up until the outline with a white cream color, and I'm using the Kryolan Supra colors for this. So this is going to make sure that the colors will pop more. So it doesn't necessarily have to be very white. You just want to have a lighter base for this. So now going in with a smaller brush, I'm going to go near the outline. So I just pin my hair back to make sure that I can also do my ears. And if you're not going to be showing your ears in the final look, this is of course not necessary. So now it's time to go in with the colors, and I'm starting off with pink, and I'm using the same colors from the palette I showed earlier. So I'm just going to place this at random places. And of course, near the edge, you want to be careful. But we're going to make this more precise later on as well. And you just want to place it at random places, as I said, and also in random shapes. So it doesn't have to be like a circle or anything. So you also want to do this with the other colors. So I'm taking the yellow next. And you can also go over the pink. And we're going to blend in everything better later on. And make sure to also blend it into your hairline. So just continue doing this with random colors. I'm now going on to blue. And you can also go back in with yellow and pink, just to fill everything up for now. Now I'm going to start blending these colors into each other a little bit, taking a bigger brush and just starting the blending process. We're still going to add more color and blend more later on. But now you can kind of get more of an idea of what it already looks like. So I'm just going to continue with this ear. I always find it more fun when the two sides aren't symmetrical, color-wise at least. Okay, so now I'm going to add more colors, and the next color is orange. And I'm going to place this mainly between the red and the yellow, or sorry, the pink and the yellow. So anywhere that those two are connected to each other, I'm going to place some orange. And then I'm going to do the same between the blue and the yellow with some green. And it's like a bit of a turquoise green. So next up is some purple, which I'm going to place in between the pink and the blue. And this is quite dark, so I'm not using too much of it, but it's also going to create some depth. Okay, so now again, I'm just going to blend this in a little bit. So in any of the places you feel like you've lost too much color by blending it, just give it a little touch up. So just blend those spots in a little bit, but make sure to not lose the color again. So for some extra depth, I'm going to also add a little bit of red. And I'm adding this on top of some of the pink. Make sure to not cover all of the pink, but I'm going to do the same with the yellow, and going to add a little bit of gold in there. And again, blend this in. And I'm just going to keep building and blending these colors until I'm happy with it. So once you're happy with it, you can start by perfecting the edges. And you want to do this with a small brush and use the same colors. So now taking a little bit of foundation, you're going to perfect the edges as well. So now that we're done with the colors, we can start adding some glitter. And I'm using 5 different colors of glitter. And if I can still find these, I will leave them in a link down below. I'm dipping these in some lash glue and then placing them on my face. And I'm leaving the very edge free because we're also going to add pearls. So I'm actually only using 3 of the colors of the rhinestones. I'm using the blue, the yellow, and the pink because the other 2 just look too similar. And that's it for the rhinestones. So now I'm taking pink, purple, green, and blue pearls, and we're going to put these on the outline. So I'm just going to go randomly from color to color and placing them on the outlines of the heart. And I'm leaving a little space in between two different pearls. And as I said, I'm doing this randomly, so there's not going to be like a specific order in the colors. And the way that I do this, and it's the same for the rhinestones, is by putting some lash glue on my hand and then picking up one of the pearls or rhinestones and with tweezers dipping it onto the lash glue in my hand and then placing it on my face. And I feel like by not having like a specific order of colors, it adds to the fun of it. And that's it for the pearls, and that's it for this look. So this look kind of reminds me of like a rainbow tie-dye with glitter and pearls. I personally love it. I hope you loved it too. And now it's time to take it off. I'm just taking most of it off with some micellar water. And these things right here, those are the leftovers of the lash glue. So now that most of it is taken off, I'm just going to wash my face to remove every little bit of makeup, and then I'll be back. So my face is all clean and moisturized, which means it's the end of the video. I hope you loved watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated on any more videos. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.